Checkpoint offers numerous color customization options for 3 of their major EAS systems. The 5 colors included in the color palette are Checkpoint Gray, which is the standard antenna color, and Ruby Red, Jet Black, Emerald Green, and Pearl Night Blue. The first of these systems that allows for customization options with the colored bases is the Classic Street EAS system, which is part of Checkpoint System's classic range of products, which combines excellent detection with attractive design and high-level in-store security. The second one of these systems that allows for these customization options is the G30 Checkpoint EAS system, which is part of the Evolve iRange line of products, which offer pleasing designs and data connectivity with seamless management reporting. The final EAS system found in this list of customization options is the Evolve iRange G35, which is part of the successful line of Checkpoint Evolve iRange antennas. For more information on color-based customization options by Checkpoint, contact Loss Prevention Systems today. Thank you so much for watching.